Make Windows 7 ignore Wi-Fi when Ethernet is available. When I dock my Windows 7 laptop, I want it to prefer the wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi. This is a pretty straightforward thing to do on my Mac. I just reorder my network preferences, and it does the right thing. I just can't figure out how to achieve the same thing on my Win 7 laptop. So when I'm docked, it connects to Wi-Fi, and then fails to connect to servers on the local wired network. How do I fix this?
It's on Windows 7, but it's pretty well hidden. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change Adapter Settings, hit Alt to get the menu and choose Advanced Settings. Then you can reorder your connections in that list. Although Windows should already automatically prefer your wired over your wireless connection. It chooses what adapter to use based on the lowest interface metric, and a wireless connection should have a higher metric than your wired. Run route print from the command prompt to see that.
Two things. First, you can add a metric to each interface to specify that one is better than another. Using the GUI, go to your network connections properties, TCP/IP, Advanced, uncheck Automatic Metric, and fill in the appropriate number. Since the metric represents a cost, Windows will automatically use the interface with a lower metric if it can't decide. This knowledge base article describes the feature you're disabling. Second, you shouldn't ever have a problem that requires one interface to be used over another. If both interfaces are the same network, then you'll always want the fast one. If they're different networks, then routing tables will automatically send packets out the proper interface to reach the network they belong to. Perhaps you have two physically separate networks with the same IP block. This is a misconfiguration, and you should fix it.
Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change Adapter Settings, then right-click on the wireless network and select Status, then click Wireless Properties and make sure that if you have it set to connect when in range that it is also set to connect to a more preferred network if available.
Go to Control Panel, Network and AMP, Internet and Network Connections, right-click on your Wi-Fi network adapter usually titled Wireless Network Connection, select Properties, click on the Configure button, select Advanced tab, under Property, scroll down to Disable upon wired connect, and highlight it. On the right-hand side under Value, select Enabled in the drop-down menu, hit OK. Disable then enable back wireless network connection.
Excellent sight.